All right, good morning everyone. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing well at your places. So, we were discussing mean in our previous class. So, today we are going to discuss mode. Mode, okay? We have already studied about mode in previous classes like 8th standard we have studied mode, right? And if I talk about let's say ninth standard also we studied about mode. So what do you mean by mode? If I just giving an example to make you understand what do you mean by mode. Suppose I have some observations with me 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 2, 2, 3. Okay. So what is the frequency of 2? Frequency means what? Number of times a particular observation repeat itself is what we call its frequency. Number of times a particular observation repeat itself is what we call its frequency, right? So frequency of 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Frequency of 2 is what? 4. If I talk about 3, frequency of 3 will be 2. Just look here, 1, 2. Frequency of 4, 1. Frequency of 5, 1. And frequency of 7 is 1. So observation with highest frequency. Here highest frequency is 4. 2 is repeating itself maximum number of times in the given data. So 2 will be the mode. So observation with highest frequency is what we call mode. This is for discrete data. What about data when it is given in grouped form, or I can say grouped data when given, what we have to do? So that's what we are going to discuss. Okay. So I am going to take an example from your exercise and I'll explain how to find out the mode. Okay. So just look here. Question number 1, exercise 14.2. Question number 1 I am just discussing with you. Question number 1, we have age patients admitted in a hospital during year. So age of the patient 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55 and 55 to 65. And number of patients, it means they are talking about frequency. Number of patients. So frequency is given to you 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Okay. So age is given to you 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45. This data is grouped data, right? And we have got the frequency also. Now we just need to find the mode. How do you find the mode? First, when you start with mode, you always need to remember one thing. You need to find the model class first. Model class means where your mode will lie, class in which your mode will lie. Okay, the class in which your mode will lie is going to be your model class. So now how would you recognize your model class? So first we will look for class with highest frequency. Class with highest frequency. Highest frequency we have 23. So this is our model class. So our model class is what? This is our model class. Now, and we have a formula to find out the mode, which is L plus F1. Find the area. I'm so sorry. Formula to find mode is what? L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. I'll just let you know what do you mean by that. What is F1, what is F0. First step when you go for finding the mode is to find the model class. Model class. What do you mean by model class? Class with highest frequency is our model class. Okay. So highest frequency is 23. So this is our model class. It means जो हमारा mode है, जो हम mode calculate करेंगे, वो इस class में lie करेगा. Means mode will lie between 35 to 45. Okay. Model class mode if you will find तो वो model class में lie करेगा, यानी 35 to 45 के बीच में उसकी value होगी. Now what do you mean by L? L stands for lower limit of class. L stands for, L is what? Lower limit of model class. Okay, class. Understood? Now, second, F1 बहुत बहुत इजी तरीका है याद रखने का. आपकी जो मॉडल क्लास है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी F1. ये कोई ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू कि कैसे याद रखना है क्या F0 है क्या F2 है. जो आपकी मॉडल क्लास है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम बोलते हैं F1. उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? F1. उससे जस्ट पहले ऑब्वियस है 1 से पहले 0 आता है तो दिस इज F0 और 1 के बाद 2 आता है तो दिस इज आवर F2. तो F1 क्या होती है? फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ मॉडल क्लास. F0 is frequency of class previous to model class. And F2 is what? Frequency of class after, just after model class. Okay, again I am telling you, सबसे पहला स्टेप मोड निकालने के लिए you have to find out the model class. Okay, all right. Then we have मॉडल क्लास निकाल लिया जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी हाईएस्ट है वो हमारी मॉडल क्लास है. फॉर्मूला होता है L प्लस F1 माइनस F0 टू F1 माइनस F0 माइनस F2 इंटू HO. ओके, नाउ व्हाट? L जो भी हमारी मॉडल क्लास है उसकी लोअर लिमिट विच इज 35. F1 जो हमारी मॉडल क्लास की है फ्रीक्वेंसी वो उससे जस्ट पहले F0 और उसकी जस्ट बाद वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी F2. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय H? H stands for width of the class, width of the model class. width कैसे निकालेंगे? अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट. 45 माइनस 35 which is 10. I hope everybody understood what I am trying to tell you. Okay, जो भी हमने यहाँ पे वेरिएबल्स लिए हैं फॉर्मूला में, I hope everybody understood. Now स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको सॉल्व करना. देखो L हो गया हमारा 35 प्लस F1 is 23, F0 is 21, 2 into 23 minus 21 वैल्यूज पुट कर रहे हो. F2 मतलब 14 into H. H कितना है बच्चे? जस्ट लुक हियर. H will be 45 minus 35. मॉडल क्लास की width 45 minus 35 which is going to be 10. Understood? Width of the model class. Now just calculate it. This is 35. Now 23 minus 21 will be 2. 23 into board mass 46. And this is 23 into 2 is 46. 46 minus ये हो जाएगा हमारा माइनस माइनस प्लस 45. This is 35 into 10. This is 35 plus this is going to be 2. 46 minus 35 is what? 46 minus 35 is 11. So this is going to be 35 plus 20 upon 11. सबसे पहले what are we going to do? We will just solve 20 upon 11. Okay, just telling you here. I'm writing here. So this is what? This is 35 plus 20 upon 11. Right? 20 upon 11 we will solve first. 20 upon 11 we are going to solve first. So 20 upon 11 is going to be what? It is going to be 1.8 approx value. देखो, I'm just writing here. So this is 35 and 20 upon 11 approx value निकाल रहे हैं. I hope everybody know how to find इस तरीके से. 1.8 आएगा. approx value लेंगे. 11 में जाए 11, यहाँ 9 आ गया. 0, 11 एग्जैक्ट. तो 1.8 आफ्टर पॉइंट आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग वन डेसिमल प्लेसेस. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग डिजिट. आई एम टेकिंग 1.8. सो दिस इज 35 प्लस 1.8 which is what? 36.8. सो हमारा मोड क्या हो जाएगा? हमारा मोड हो जाएगा 36.8. मोड का आई एम जस्ट सॉल्विंग इट हियर. मोड कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? मोड इज गोइंग टू बी 35, and 20 upon 11 is what? 1.8, which is going to be what? 36.8. So that's how we are going to find out our mode. I hope this is very much clear to all of you. Okay? Alright, now moving on to next part, next question of your exercise. Again, we need to find our mode. So I hope everybody will be able to do it in question number 2. Question number 3 is also same. 4th, 5th, right. So you just need to find mode in both, all of the questions. You just need to find out the mode here in this exercise. I'm taking one more example so that the concept is clear to you, right? Okay. So now just look here. Next question I'm just taking. Quickly we are going to do, because अब हमको formula पता है और क्या apply करना है ये भी पता है. I'm not copying this, okay? Just quickly writing the question. Now just look here. I am taking, let's say 4th question I am taking. इस question में you need to find the mean number of students. इसमें mean भी निकालना है, mode भी निकालना है, पर mean you will calculate by yourself. I am just telling you mode कैसे निकालना है. बेटा there are questions NCERT में नहीं है जिसमें आपको unknown variable भी निकालना होता है. So that's we will discuss just after our chapter will finish. ठीक है, this is number of students and this is number of states. Okay, so this is 3, 8, 9, 10, 3. This is 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 45 to 50. 15, 20, 20, 25, 25, 30. This is 30 to 35. This is 35 to 40. This is 40 to 45, and this is 45 to 50, right? So this is, and then we have 50 to 55. This is 0, this is 0, and this is 2. So first, what is the first step? First step will be finding the model class. First step will be finding the model class. So class with highest frequency, here we have highest frequency is 10, so this is our model class. Okay, so just tell me what will be L. L will be 30. ये हमारी F1 है. 1 से पहले 0 आता है, ये 0 हो गई. 1 के बाद 2 आता है, this is F2. So I'm going to put the values here. F1 हो गया 10. F0 हमारा कितना है 9. Then we have 2 into F1. F1 हमारा 10 है. Then we have F0 which is 9. सिर्फ values put करें. 10 minus 9. F1 minus F0. देखो अगर आप लोग कंफ्यूज होते हो, you can always write, है ना, F1 minus F0, F1 minus F0, then 2 into F1, 2 into 10, minus का साइन, then F0, F0 is what 9, then we have F2, F2 कितना है हमारा 3 into H, और H हमारा कितना है बेटा, width of the class which is 5, so you will get 30, this is 10 minus 9 1, BODMAS rule पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, बाद में सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा, 10 to 20, आपको नहीं समझ आता आप एक स्टेप बढ़ा दीजिए, but don't do wrong calculations. So this is 20, 9 minus 3 is what, minus 12. 20 minus 12, 20, 2 into 10, 20, 20 minus 12 will be 8, and this is 5. So this is going to be 30 plus 5 upon 8. I hope everybody can do this now. Okay, so 30 plus 5 upon 8. सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे, 5 को 8 से डिवाइड करोगे, राइट, 5 को 8 से डिवाइड करोगे and then you will get the values, है ना, just telling you 5 upon 8 will be what, देखो I am just showing how I am doing. Point लगाया 0, 8 6 जा 48, then we have 20, understood, क्या कर रही हूँ, 8 2 जा 16, so 0.62. So 30 plus 0.62, and when you will add it, you will get 30.62. So this is our mode. देखो मैंने तुम लोगों को बोला mode will lie between model class. So देखो 30 और 35 के बीच में 30.62 आता है, यानी हमारा mode model class में lie कर रहा है. ये बहुत important concept है जब आपको unknown variables की value find out करनी होती है. Alright, so that's it for now. In next video we will be discussing cumulative relative frequency, median, and more things. Okay, and extra questions also we will discuss. So that's it for now. Thank you so much.